Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to export process monitor data step by step. Exporting your process monitor data lets you save captured events for documentation, troubleshooting, or sharing with technical support. So let's get started. First, open Process Monitor on your Windows computer and capture the system activity you want to export. Once you've reproduced the issue or completed the task you're monitoring, click the Capture button on the toolbar to stop recording new events. This ensures your export contains only the data you want to keep. Next, review the captured events. If necessary, apply filters to display only the process, file path, registry key, or operation that's relevant to your investigation. Exporting filtered results makes the data easier to analyze and reduces unnecessary information. Now, click the File menu and choose Save. In the Save dialog, select whether you want to export all events or events displayed using current filter. Then choose the output format that best fits your needs, such as the native PML format for reopening in Process Monitor or CSV for viewing in spreadsheet applications. Choose a folder where you'd like to save the exported file, enter a descriptive file name, and click Save. Wait for the export process to finish. Larger captures may take a little longer depending on the amount of data. Finally, open the exported file to verify that it contains the expected information. You can now archive the data, compare it with future captures, or share it with someone helping you troubleshoot the issue. And that's it. You now know how to export process monitor data for analysis, documentation, and troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.